My name is Lisa Catto and I'm a high-level certified admin and automation architect over here in the UK. We recently had a problem where we had a Claude website that we're driving traffic to, and we wanted to be able to have affiliates driving traffic to it as well, but it meant that we needed to be able to extract the unique affiliate code so that we could then share that on the Claude website URL and still be able to assign any contacts that came in under that affiliate and ultimately any commissions within the program. First off, we needed to make sure that we had our campaign set where we can capture the sale inside of HighLevel. If you want to see how we extracted the affiliate code and then assigned leads using that code to the affiliate manager, this is the video for you. It's important that the campaign that the affiliate manager is running is inside of HighLevel. So what I've done here is I've got a funnel page that is the end game. So this is the checkout that no matter what all the lead gen is leading up to this point, this is where the sale is going to happen. So you can see here we've got a funnel page, and that is what is inside of the campaign details here. So I've got the funnel, and as soon as you link the funnel, it can see the products. So it's really important that this is the end game. This is the ultimate link that is going to be reached. But if we're using other pages like Claude pages for our websites or other sites that are not within HighLevel, we need to be able to pass the unique affiliate's ID through the URLs so that we can assign any leads and ultimately any commissions to that affiliate, even if the pages are not inside of HighLevel. But this end sale checkout must be inside of HighLevel. To begin, you need to make sure that you do have your affiliate program set up, including a campaign. This is going to be the key bit. So if you haven't done that, go and set up your campaign before you come back here. Now, when you create an affiliate, the key thing is that we are assigning them to a campaign. This is going to be the trigger in the workflow. So I've got here Lisa plus affiliate test, and I'm just going to click save. This can be done automatically in workflows as well. Let's go and have a look at the workflow. So we have the trigger that the affiliate has been enrolled in the campaign. I've also got it so that we can create affiliates on the fly using a tag in other campaigns. So as people opt in, if you want to create them as an affiliate and then send them out their links so that they can then help you promote whatever it is you want them to promote. We're going down the right-hand branch here. The first thing we're going to do is find the affiliate link that we've created and split out their unique ID. So you're going to go to text formatter. You're going to use the action name split test from the list, and you're going to select the field, the affiliate referral link. Now this will only appear if you have got the enrolled campaign trigger. You might need to save for that to show. So make sure that you've got the enrolled in campaign trigger. You're then going to choose the affiliate referral link as the one that you're going to pass. And you're going to lift out their affiliate code, and you're going to need to have, and the separator is the question mark AM underscore ID equals. That's the bit that's always going to appear before the code. And then it's going to be the code after. So we're going to take the last segment. So if you follow that exactly as it is there, and then you have a custom field ready to go that you're going to use the output from that text formatter. You're going to use that result to populate the custom field. We've now got that affiliate's unique code on their contact record. Normally, when working with the affiliates, we're locked in to this link here. So you can see here, Lisa Catto 8417. If we have a look at the contact record, we can see that has come through perfectly on the contact record in the specific field. Normally, we're locked in to the link here that has been created by the affiliate manager. As long as we're able to grab the affiliate ID, we can use that on any link we want. I want to promote this website, which is a Claude website, not inside of HighLevel, but I still want to be able to capture leads for the affiliate program. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this link and I'm going to add on the parameter for the affiliate, and then I'm going to use my unique field that I've created. Let's go and do that now. Now I'm going to create an email template, and I'm going to use the Claude website link, the other website link, and then I'm going to make sure that I put the thing that's universal to all of them. And now I can merge in the affiliate code, which is here, the specific key that I've used when I created my custom field. So let's put that in here, and that's now a link. This is not a HighLevel link, so this can now go out universally once we've captured the code onto the contact record. If I now test that here by sending out a message, we can see that that has very happily populated. I'm now going to go over to the website, and I'm going to use this to register for the next step in the process. So here I am on the site. You can see here I've got the AMID in the link up here. I'm now going to do a test. So I'm now using Lisa plus sign up as the person using the link to sign up with, and I'm going to click on sign up. Let's head back over to HighLevel, and this is now the second workflow that we need. So this is going on every new contact that is created. I've got it waiting to make sure that the last touch URL is not populated, and I'll show you why. On the contact record, the one that I've just used to sign up with, you can see the last touch attribution source has passed through the referral, the affiliate code. So we need to be able to get that so that we can assign this contact to the affiliate that shared the link. One important thing to note here is that we do have a set of fields for last touch and first touch attribution that are passing in the attribution values, which are native to HighLevel. So whilst these values are native to HighLevel, they don't actually capture into a field. So for the purposes of this, we have just done that on contact creation, and we're mapping those in. So the contact's been created in the workflow, and it's waiting to make sure that the last touch URL is not empty. Then it will check that there is an email address attached to it, and that the last touch URL, that custom field, has actually got this code in it, because otherwise it's pointless running this workflow. Now there's different ways that the URL can come in. Sometimes it can come in with a hashtag if it's a position on a page, or if it's got additional URL parameters, it's got an ampersand in there. So the very first thing we're going to do is do the split text again on the URL. So this is the last touch URL, my custom field, that it is then going to look for this code, and then it's going to take the last segment. So it's going to remove everything before. If the additional splits here then see that there is actually a hashtag or an ampersand, it's going to take it from that point, remove everything after, and grab the very first bit, which will leave us with updating an additional, this is the assigned affiliate, this is a second custom field with the results from these two splits. So if it's this one, that's updating here. This one, as you can see, is updating result 4. And if none of these exist and it doesn't need to be split, then it's just going to update it from here. Then it's going to take that a new person and assign it to the affiliate that shared the link. So we've got here a custom mapping and that second custom field, so that it will assign it to the contact record. So let's have a look at that. So here on the contact record, this contact that just signed up is assigned to this affiliate, and inside of the affiliate program we should see that contact, here we are, so this was the link that I shared, has now appeared as a lead underneath that ambassador, so that any future sales for future products, even though this is at lead gen stage, will be allocated.